Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 8i and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on home screen and wallpaper. Now let's enter the wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which you can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got our own gallery, we've got some recommended wallpapers, you've got here my wallpapers. So this is the wallpaper which is currently set, and under it you've got the nature, artistic, dimensional, illustrated and the colors. What's more, if you will have the internet connection, you can tap on more wallpapers and you will be able to pick some other wallpapers which are available. So let me pick something, for example this one. Let's tap on it in order to show the preview of the wallpaper, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon. What's more, as you can see, we've got two different options here. We can blur the image after tapping on it, and using the switcher you can blur the wallpaper, or we can make it scrollable, of course, if it is available for the wallpaper. And as you can see, it will change whilst changing the home pages. But let me turn off this option. Let me turn off the blur, and as I said, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it and let's wait a second. And now let's go back and check. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also. And the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HUAWEI Nova 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.